Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a bootable Linux USB drive on PC or Mac. So first things first, what you need here is a Rufus and also a flash drive that should be 4 GB or 8 GB recommended, and a Linux ISO file. It could be Linux Mint. So what you're going to do here is you have to download Linux Mint and also Rufus. So to do that, you have to go to Rufus and then scroll down here, tap any of this, make sure it's compatible with your PC. And then after that, once downloaded and installed, you can now open Rufus. And then you have to insert the USB here on your PC. So once you have downloaded and installed Rufus, you have to insert your USB drive into the PC, open Rufus, and then here under device, you need to select your USB stick. Under boot selection, you need to click, select, and choose your Linux ISO. For partition scheme, choose MBR for older BIOS or BIOS systems. Choose GPT for modern systems. And then for file system, just leave it as it is. Once done, then click Start. Rufus will write the Linux ISO to the USB. You may be asked to download SYS Linux or write in ISO/DD mode. So choose ISO mode if unsure. When done, your USB is bootable. As easy as that. So you can restart your PC, press the boot menu or menu key during startup. You can usually press F12, escape, F10, or del depending on your motherboard. Select your USB drive. The Linux installer a live environment will load. And that's how easy it is to make a bootable Linux USB drive on PC or Mac. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.